Hello friends, I know a product packaging designer's job is hard. You have to spend a lot of hours in creating different kind of designs manually. You have to make sure you follow the branding guidelines, colors, styles, and you have to send to the clients multiple times. I know the pain. So in today's video, I have come up with an amazing AI tools that does everything within minutes along with the print ready dielines. Yes, you can generate the print ready dielines and sending for printing right there. So without waiting, let's go to this AI tool and see how to use it. First, come to the tools website. You will get the tools link in the description. The tool's name is Packify. So in today's video, we'll see how to use Packify AI's packaging design with print ready dieline, how to export it. So let's see how to do it. Come to Packify AI's website. First, we'll log in using our Google account. So come to the right side where you can see a login box. Click on it and then you have to log in with your Google account. First, let's see what features Packify provides. So on the left side, there is an AI design feature. By using this, you can create packaging design, which we are going to see in today's video. Then the next feature is AI photography, where you can do photography of your product with many different creative ideas. Then there is a mockup. Here you are given many mockup with different categories, using which you can showcase your design within a minutes. So in today's video, we'll design a box packaging, along with we'll see how to export its dieline. So if you are a packaging designer, you can use the tool as an inspiration as well. So let's see how to do it. On the left side, click on AI design. After that, below on the left side, click on AI packaging design box. As soon as you click, a packaging design information panel will open here, where you will need some information, and first we will see that. What all you need here, first you have to enter the product name. So my product name is oatmeal cookies. So I already type it here. As soon as you enter it, your production information will be analyzed in the center and further process will keep going here. Then you have to enter the brand name. So my brand name is Natural Cookies. Then there is a logo file where you have to upload your logo. So you can upload JPG, PNG logo file here. I'm just giving you a demo, so I'm not going to upload any logo file here. If you are using it just for taking inspiration, you can skip this step. And if you are really creating for your brand, you have to upload the logo file. Then there is a packaging, meaning what type of packages you want. For example, here we can see product boxes, shipping boxes, beverage bottles, cosmetic bottles, pouches, bags, cans, jars, and many more packaging items. Under this, you will also get its categories. So my package is shipping boxes. So I click on it. So under this, you are given subcategories. You have to select according to your product. Number of images, meaning how many ideas you want in the output. You have to select it here. So in our example, I'll just keep it 3. After this, you can see elements, meaning what elements you want in your package design. So that information you have to enter here. So here I enter which stocks, odd grains, cookie texture, burlap patterns, dried fruits, bold simple font, text inside lead. So you have to enter according to your needs. Okay, so you can try and experiment to see how it makes the differences. Then the next information is style, meaning what type of packaging style you want. So in my use case, I'm entering rustic, vintage, modern, minimalistic, rustic, modern, elegant, sophisticated. So you can also enter as per your choice. Then there is a color. Under this, you have 3 options: theme color, competitive analysis, packaging style. In theme color, there are ready-made colors which you can use if you want. Then there is a competitive analysis. In this box, you can upload a reference image and analyze your competitor's packaging design. It makes your job really easy. Then there is a packaging style. Here you are given some ready-made packaging styles. If you want to choose a style from here, you can do it directly from here. In this box, you can also add your packaging requirements, elements, styles, etc. and create a packaging design. So after doing all this, at the bottom on the left side, you have to click on generate, and the Packify will create entire packaging design for us in few minutes. And here we can see our 3 final outputs. Looks amazing, right?
Yes.
You know guys, I like almost all of the packaging styles this tool generates. I took a lot of inspiration and lot of time. I just make minimal changes and just deliver it. Now let's move forward. As you can see here, Packify has given us 3 results. From here, if you want to redesign packaging, you can do that. And then from here, you can also download all of them together. So in this box, you can give some instruction, and if you want to change the design, you can do that too. Once we like this design, we will move the cursor over it, and here you can see you can download the image from this icon. Then there is a edit, meaning if you want to edit or change something, you can do from here. Then there is an export Dieline option, meaning if you want to export the box dimension, you can also do that from here. Then from here, you also want to do product photography, you can do that too. So you get all the options here from the final output. So as per your need, you can do it. I like the Dieline features a lot because it's really useful. You want to send it to your printing machines. First, let's export it Dieline. So we click on this button. As soon as we click, here you get the recommended mockup, which is used on this package. If you want to change it, click on more mockups and choose another one. Below this, you get the size. If you want to change it, you can do that from here. Here you are given a 3D preview of the box. From here you can also open the box in 3D and see it from different angles. And here you get the Dieline dimension. So after doing all this, you have to click on enter the 3D editor. As soon as you click, the packaging edit dashboard will appear. Here in the center, you get the Dieline where you can edit the package. On the left side, you can see a 3D preview of packaging design. Below this, if you want to change the package designer's color, you can do that from here. Below this, you get the layers, which you will see inside the Dieline here. I'm just showing an example. You can add it as per your need. For example, if I want to change this text, I will click on it, and then on the right side, its edit panel will open, where you can change fonts, alignment, etc. After this, if you want to add any image, then at the top center, there is an image option. From here, you can upload images or also generate them. After this, there is a text where you get ready-made text like titles, nutritional fact panel, net weight, ingredient list, badges, which you can use on the package if you want. Then there is shape, which you can use on package to take your package to the next level. Then when you click on export on the right side, your packaging along with the Dieline will be downloaded. You can see its result on the screen. Now let's see the edit option. For example, I like this package. I click on it. After this, in the center, we get a box where you have to give instruction. So I'm just going to write, change the background, color white, and click on arrow. It will take some time, then give us another output with the white background. Here you can see its result. It has given us the output with the white background. So editing is just that simple. So this was about Packify AI's packaging design features along with its Dieline feature. And there is a special offer only for my viewers. Use the my code dolphin20 and you will get 20% off right there. So if you found this video useful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with all of your packaging designers. See you in the next one.